LawnPro gives you the option to mail physical invoices directly to your customers through USPS, printed, stuffed, and sent for you. In this video, we'll show you how to buy stamps and how to send an invoice by mail. Before you can send invoices by mail, you'll need to purchase stamps in LawnPro. Keep in mind, this is only available on desktop. It is not available on the mobile app. To buy stamps, click on the Store tab. Once you're in the store, you'll see different stamp options. Click the green button with the price of the package you want, and you'll be walked through the payment process. You can select to pay with card or pay with PayPal. Once you've paid, the stamps are automatically added to your account. No extra steps needed. To check how many stamps you have, you can look up at the top right of your screen. If you need more, you can click on it, and it takes you to the store also. To send an invoice by USPS mail, you can go to the Finance tab, Invoices, find the invoice you want to send, click the magnifying glass to open it. From there, you'll see the Send button. Click Send, and click Regular Mail. You can click Yes to verify you want to send this invoice via regular mail. You can also send invoices in bulk. On the Invoices page, mark the invoices you would like to send, and then click Send By and select Regular Mail. Again, you will verify if you want to send these invoices by regular mail. When you send an invoice by mail, long press it, and it sends out the next day. Each invoice is printed with a tear-off statement slip at the bottom and includes a return envelope so your customer can easily mail back their payment.